so good. Alright, you guys, we are having babies. Here we go. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Another bale of shavings. Alright, I've also got pads here. So I want to put those down by her buddy. You can.
Pour it out there. Baby's finding it.
She's
There
finding
it
it.
is. Come on, get in there. There it is. That's a good one.
Oh boy. Smart baby. Oh gosh, this one's squirting. Yeah. You'll find it? Oh, okay, here you go. I'm trying to squirt some on there for her. There you go.
You can feel the heat.
Yeah, you got some. Someone's itching on there something. Maybe not. Okay, I'm taking this away because she's pretty. Oh, we're gonna move her a little. Mama's nesting. She's gonna come around, I think. All right, baby. I'm gonna get with your mama. Just a second. Let her lay down. Oh, here comes a baby. Here comes a baby. We have a blood squirt. That means she's gonna pop a baby out. Oh boy, and there's one. Oh jeez. All right. Yes. Oh boy. Oh, good baby.
Is that first one a girl?
I think she might have another one too. Good baby. Come on now. Come on, little one. Come on, little one. Get out of there. Come on. Yes, baby. That's your babies. Good baby. Good baby. Good baby. Here, yeah, you need to go over by your mama, but just in a minute. She's getting herself all set here. All right. Yeah. What? All right. Good job, mama. Good job. All right. Okay. Get a little bit cold over here. So let's get some. Come on. Yeah. I want you on your side. Thank you. All right. Here's our second test.
Watch out.
I know. This is our tempo. Oh, it ripped it right off. It ripped it off. All right. Yeah, let's get ready for the next one. All right. This one's already shivering a little, you know what I mean? There's your babies. She's making something. I'm not able to watch the babies now, so just so you're on the same page as me. We've got blood. Here it comes. Oh, a sack, maybe? Uh-oh. Okay, I'm holding the camera wrong. All right, this looks like a not formed.
Yep.
This is a not formed fetus.
They had a couple stillborn in the sack.
Oh, wait, we've got it coming out. Oh, boy. All right. Live baby, live baby. We've got something in the live baby. All right. A lot of fluid. All right.
You guys really want the warmth touch.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
That's a big one.
yeah, you're a good baby. This is definitely a not formed and definitely a not formed. We got two not formed fetuses. Two not formed fetuses and a third not formed fetus coming out right now.
So 3 and 3.
So far, yeah. Yeah, this one's not formed as well. Okay. It's alright. We got it. We got it.
There you go.
Good girl. Alright.
I'll go get another one.
This is the third not formed. Oh, okay. Well, she's not. Good girls.
3.
Yes.
3
3 babies. Okay. This little do. No, y'all can't be coming toward me. Come to mama.
Different voice. Is this the newest one or is that? That's what I thought.
They got colostrum, these ones, so. But they really should be going toward her, you know. Yeah, that's what we want. I don't know if this is the right thing to be doing that we're doing here.
Well, she's just getting up and laying the town a lot more than, say, Big Sue, who just laid there and squirted 11 out in a row. I think this is our sole purpose is from keeping her from getting squished.
Good girl, Susu. You're a good girl. Yes, my good girl. Is this nice? You're doing a good job. You love your babies, right? It's a good girl. You're doing so good. Aren't you glad you can stand up and walk around? Yeah, it'd really be bad if you were just stuck laying down, huh?
Strong little fuckers.
Come on. Come on. Let's just eat a little more colostrum before brother and sisters get here, okay? Let's just eat a little more. Get nice and warm. Well, she wants the one sisters on, for sure. Oh, my soul. Get over here, yo. That's the one your grandmother, Baby Sue, liked to drink out of. Let that sink in for a minute, Nathan. Baby Sue. Grandmother, Baby Sue. Guess who's a great-great-grandmother today? No, wait. Still a grandmother, just grandmother, right?
I thought she was a great-grandmother.
She is a great-grandmother. Oh, these aren't her great-great-grandmothers.
No, Baby Sue's her great.
Baby Sue is her sister.
Suzette.
These are Baby Sue's sisters. These are Baby Suzette's aunts. That's exhausting. These are babies. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Oh, I know. I know. Oh, sweet girl. Sweet girl. Okay. All right, baby. All right. We're doing so good.
Something out here.
It's all right, sweetheart. We're doing so good. Good girl, Susu. All right. Okay, her mouth. You want me to?
Pig, pig, pig. Hello.
Baby. Hello.
It's darker. One more spots. Expose yourself here.
It's all right. More or less, they have to expose. Get her to do it.
That's your sister. Fight her later.
Come on, love. Open up. Open up. Get it in there. So frustrating. Yeah, there's one coming out. She needs to move, dude. It can't come out. Oh! Okay, I got it. I got it. I need a pad, please. Okay, there you go. Come on.
Was it moving?
It was moving. I thought it was moving. Oh. Come on, baby. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Rub it.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. 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 I don't think it's a lot. Oh, my knees are.
Let's see if it was a girl or a boy. Hang it right upside down.
Right. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come
Right
on.
upside down so anything could drain out if there was any liquid. And there seems to be a little fluid in the nostrils.
Yeah, there's fluid coming out of the lungs. It's a girl. It's all right, Peachy.
I wonder if that was it.
They all seem a little chilly. But they're all drinking, so that's like the best thing for that. Get you all in there together. Yes. Yes. You did so good. Get some more. Yeah, you got a taste for it, don't ya? You got a taste for it, don't ya? You got a taste for it now. So 6 plus 3, that's 9.
Like that.
Putting on some maps.
More coming.